listen, I've been afflicted with a challenge for a long time, which is, in some cases it's hurt me, and in some cases it's helped me, just to be really vulnerable on it. Yeah. Every single personality test I've ever taken has always indexed that I just love data, meaning that I have a very difficult time making decisions on gut. Sure. Right. Some people have that gift, and I'm just not comfortable with making gut decisions. So I've always strived to understand, comprehend data from many dimensions, right? Yeah. Because I do believe that the data will bear out what the right answer is, right? So having that natural inclination has helped me. The downside of that is it does make other people feel as if I'm paralyzed by indecision. It's not I'm paralyzed by indecision. I'm paralyzed by not making a good decision. Yeah. Right. Yeah. And data helps me arrive at the best decision available at that time. Okay. And so by leveraging tools like yours with Aviso, it gives me that kernel of intelligence that I'm looking for. Sure. Just when I'm using the forecast, I have a forecast roll-up. I know what that number is, right? Then I see a medic score, because we use medic here at Conviva. So I built in closed plan into Salesforce, and it services up a medic score. Then I have the Aviso score, and then I have the Aviso forecast. So now I have 4 different pieces of data to triangulate on exactly what's going to happen.